Good afternoon, Sir Colin. I am Sophia Joy Estupa.
I'm Casey Cruz.
And we are Pedro Creed.
So our research is entitled
The Significance of Parental Love and Child Development at the Bosco Wilson. Okay, so let's go. Our research abstract is this study explores the significance of parental love in child development, focusing on how parental support and family dynamics contribute to a child's emotional resilience, social and moral growth. The research analyzed structure and reviews with students, building positive relationships between parental love and factors such as emotional support, financial stability, discipline, and communication patterns. The findings emphasize the importance of emotional availability, financial stability, and supporting parenting practices in fostering resilience and moral development in children. So our research objectives is number one is to examine the impact of parental support on a child's emotional, physiological, and behavioral development. The second, to explore the role of family dynamics in shaping a child's social, emotional, and moral development. Start introduction. Parental love is essential for a child's emotional, social, and cognitive development. From birth, children rely on their parents for secure guidance and affection, which helps them regulate emotions, build confidence, and form healthy relationships. So, we all know that children need a parental love while growing up. Okay, research design. This study explores how children experience and understand parental love. Instead of relying on adult opinions, we listen directly to children through open-ended interviews. We ask them what parental love means, how they show and receive love, and how they think it affects their emotions, relationships, and learning. Okay. RL18. This study will take place and later on and focus on students who will live without their parents but still feel their love. Okay, so nakita may parang children na wala sa silang parents, which is the Don Bosco Boys Home at Luan. Next. Okay, research instruments. The study will use a semi-structured interview to understand how parental love affects child development. It includes 3 parts, with the first focusing on how parents show love through kind words, quality time, physical affection, and emotional support during challenges. This helps us learn how children experience and understand parental love. Data collection. This study will use interviews, surveys, observation, and case studies to understand how parental love affects child development. So, we use interviews to listen to all of the next. Ethical consideration. This study follows ethical guidelines to protect participants. Children under guidance, will give permission for joining. Okay, so, the economy consent to consent. Kung sa para maka-interview nila.
So these are our themes. Theme 1, the impact of parental support on child development. These are the sub-themes: emotional availability, financial stability, and access to developmental resources. The third is expressing love, actions and words that shape behavior. And the last, strong emotional bonds between parents and children. Theme 2, influence of family dynamics on social and moral growth. So, in our discussion, our research explored the significance of parental love in child development, focusing on various expressions and impacts of that love. So based on the structured interviews, we conducted two major themes, which is parental support and family dynamics. So under parental support, we found that students felt loved when their parents were emotionally available, provided financial assistance, gave words of affirmation, and showed love through actions, even from a distance. So emotional availability in particular helped children feel secure and confident. Financial support, on the other hand, wasn't just about money. It symbolized care, responsibility, and stability in the eyes of children. In terms of family dynamics, discipline played a significant role. Students generally responded positively to discipline when it's delivered with explanation, consistency, and fairness. So, nakakabang nila to build a sense of right and wrong while still feeling supported. Additionally, strong communication and positive parent-child relationships were linked to healthy development. Even when families were physically distant or apart, as long as emotional bonds remain strong, these findings align with existing literature, but they also emphasize how love is not one-size-fits-all concept. It varies across families and is shaped by how parents communicate, provide, and connect with their children. So, recommendations. From these findings, several recommendations we have emerged. So first, for parents, it's important to emotionally present, even when physically distant. Regular communication, words of encouragement, and consistent support all matters. Small actions like asking how their child's day went or helping with school expenses can deeply impact love is perceived. And it can deeply impact how love is perceived. So second, for educators and guidance counselors. So awareness of students' home dynamic is essential. Understanding their background can help provide more targeted emotional and academic support in school settings. And finally, for future researchers, we recommend exploring how parental love is expressed in different cultural or socioeconomic contexts, or examining the long-term impacts of specific types of parental support on adult development. A more diverse sample could also deepen and broaden these findings. So, conclusion. To conclude our study confirmed that parental love expressed through emotional support, financial help, words of affirmations, and structured discipline has a profound impact on a child's development. Even when parents are not physically present, consistent efforts to show love and support still make a difference. The study highlights how both emotional closeness and positive family dynamics foster resilience, self-esteem, and overall well-being in children. In the end, what we found is simple yet powerful. Parental love, when expressed in consistent and meaningful ways, lays the foundation for a child's growth, happiness, and success in life.
That's all. Thank you.